Hi, everybody. This is Bob Umless, bringing to you tip 11 from my book, This Isn't Excel, It's Magic. And if you're interested or if you would like, you can access that book at this address. So I'll give you a second so you can either take a screenshot or write it down. And, okay, back, or you could pause it, I guess, and back to tip 11. Okay, this is about using the sum tool right here on the Home tab. If you wanted to put a sum of those values in A1 to D1, actually want to fill those with the sum and you want to fill that with the sum, I'm guessing you would probably do this. You'd click here, and if you click the sum tool, it first suggests that that's what you want, or if you know that it's what you would get, I mean the escape key, you can double click the sum tool and it will put in the value. In any case, from here, you can either drag down using the fill handle or double click. You can then click in cell A8, double click the sum tool, and drag over to the right. And the task is done. I'm going to undo all that because all that can be done in one click. You make this selection. Notice I've selected the extra column and extra row, a single click of the sum tool, and you're all done. Okay, supposing you have data that looks like this, and you need to put these little subtotals in where these blank spaces are. You can also do that with one click. If I click in here, hold down the control key and select these, a single click of the sum tool puts them all in, and they're all correct. So if you look at the formulas, AA1 through AA5, 7 through 15, AB1 through 8, and AB10 through 16. Short tip, short but cute. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let me stop recording and see you next time.